students of BSc Second, Semester 4 CBCS syllabus. Paper number 8 is Plant Metabolism and Unit number 2 is Seed Dormancy and Germination. Today we will see about this topic, seed dormancy and germination. Living organism shows growth and development. In flowering plants, seeds form seedling and then it forms complete mature plant. Seed is formed from fertilized ovule. Seed shows different types of parts as testa, endosperm and embryo. Seeds of many plants shows a variation in size, shape, color and surface. The surface of seed may be smooth or rough, which are related with the genetic characters of individual plant species. Then we will learn about the concept of dormancy. The seed acts as a starting organ in the life of higher plants. Seed can remain viable for few days to even years. In many plants, seeds are viable but do not germinate even they get all favorable environmental conditions. Like these seeds are called as non-viable seeds or dormant seeds. Failure of seeds to germinate in favorable condition is called dormancy. Amen restricted the term dormancy to an indigenously controlled but environmentally imposed temporary suspension of growth associated with low metabolic activity. If seed in which embryo is alive is said to be viable seed, it is able to germinate. The viability of seeds varies from species to species and it is genetically controlled. In a seed, the growth of embryo is blocked during the period of dormancy. The causes of dormancy are different in different species and may be internal or external in nature. The dormancy of seeds is regulated by hormones or seed coat impermeability. In the next slide, we will study about the types of seed dormancy. Dormancy means blocking of embryo growth. It is due to many reasons like unfavorable conditions. See the different examples: low temperature, low moisture content, adequate supply of oxygen. These are some unfavorable conditions which are able to block the seed germination and forms dormancy. In such conditions, the seed failed to germinate due to internal factors related to the seeds. This type of dormancy is called as primary or imposed dormancy. The other reason for dormancy is related to properties of seed. It is called as innate or secondary dormancy. It is developed in seeds due to certain changes in the storage. For example, taxus. In this case, even under suitable condition, seeds fail to germinate. The seeds in secondary dormancy germinates when inhibitor factor is removed. Now we will see about the types of seed dormancy. Seed dormancy is divided into two types, that is imposed dormancy or primary dormancy and innate or secondary dormancy. Imposed dormancy occurs in the absence of suitable conditions. Secondary dormancy occurs in different types of ways: external exogenous factors or internal endogenous factors or combined action of exogenous and endogenous factors. Exogenous factors include physical or chemical inhibitors, while endogenous factors include morphological or physiological factors. Let us start to study different causes of seed dormancy. The dormancy results from a one or a combination of several factors. This dormancy may be of primary or secondary in nature. In cultivated crop plants, genetic selection leads to uniform and rapid seed germination. The following are important causes which leads to seed dormancy. Nature of seed dormancy is one important cause of dormancy. The seeds of Leguminosae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae, Malvaceae families have hard seed coats. The seed coat is composed of mixture of polysaccharide, hemicellulose, fats, proteins and waxes. These mixtures form hard, tough, protective cover around the embryo. Seed coats becomes impermeable to water or gases or may be resistant to growth of embryo. A hard seed coat can cause dormancy in different ways. We will study some ways in this nature of seed dormancy. Impermeability to water. Hard seed coat is impermeable to water as seen in many plants. Malvaceae, Chenopodiaceae, Convolvulaceae. These are the families which shows hard seed coat in the seeds. The seeds of many leguminous plants are hard due to waxy cover, while in some plants seeds it is suberized, that is, it is with the suberin chemical. These chemicals make seeds hard coat and it will act as a barrier for the water entry. Thus, seed germination process begins. Second cause of seed dormancy is impermeability to oxygen and CO2. In some grasses and members of Asteraceae seed coats of seeds present in the Asteraceae are hard and impermeable to oxygen. When entry of oxygen is prevented, embryo does not grow as respiratory activity is retarded. In some, seed coat is permeable to oxygen and impermeable to CO2. So, due to accumulation of CO2, embryo growth is inhibited. Impermeability to oxygen and CO2 means oxygen and CO2 will not enter inside the seed. For example, in Xanthium, there are two seeds in fruit. The upper seed has a higher requirement and it germinates after a prolonged period of 1 year than lower seed. Then mechanical resistance. In some species, seed coats are permeable both for water and gases. However, the seed coat cannot be opened by growing embryo and no germination occurs. Here, hard seed coat having mechanical resistance act as a barrier. For example, Alisnia amaranthus capsula shows dormancy due to mechanically resistant hard seed coat. The seeds of amaranthus can remain dormant for 30 years. Then, seed dormancy may cause by physiological immature embryo. Seed dormancy may be due to immature or ripened embryo. In Orchidaceae, Orobuncaceae and Ranunculaceae, immature embryo occurs. In physiologically immature embryo, dormancy is due to lacking of enzymes or sufficient amount of growth regulators required for the germination. So less growth regulators and lacking of enzymes forms dormancy in some seeds of Orchidaceae, Orobanchaceae and Ranunculaceae. Then in apple, pear and cherries, like this, physiologically immature embryo occurs. In the next slide, we will see another cause which causes seed dormancy, that is presence of germination inhibitor. Seeds of certain plants contain many chemical compounds which inhibit their germination. Thus, seed dormancy may result due to presence of such germination inhibitors. We will see some examples of germination inhibitors: organic acid, phenolics, alkaloids, aldehydes, tannin, unsaturated lactones, abscisic acid, coumarin. These chemicals are able to form dormancy. These inhibitors are found in pulp of fruit, seed coat, endosperm and embryo of the seeds. Some hormonal growth inhibitors which block synthesis of growth hormone causes seed dormancy. For example, inhibition of GA and IA synthesis due to ABA, while other causes unfavorable pH and act osmotically. Tomato juice contain capic acid and ferulic acid which act as germination inhibitor. The herbicides like Cycocel, Fospon D, AMO1618 act as a growth retardant and inhibit seed germination. The seed dormancy in Fraxinus americana is associated with abscisic acid contents. So when abscisic acid is present in the seed remains dormant. You know the example, Fraxinus americana. Specific light requirements affects on seed germination process, or it affects on seed dormancy. In many species, the germination of seed is affected by light causing seed dormancy. Many seeds fail to germinate in dark. The light sensitive seeds like lettuce, tobacco, tomato are called as positive photoblastic seeds. They require light stimulus associated with phytochromes. The seeds of Helloborus niger, Silene armeria does not require light for germination of the seed. So these type of seeds are called as negative photoblastic seeds. The quantity and quality of light has profound effect of seed germination and seed dormancy. So causes of seed dormancy include: one important effect on germination and dormancy, that is light requirement. Specific temperature requirements. Specific temperature is essential for germination of seed and which causes effect on the seed dormancy. Many seeds require temperature for seed germination. Many conifer, rosaceous species, Polygonum species require low temperature in presence of O2 for few months. For example, in apple, peach seeds, these seeds remains dormant after the harvest in autumn season. So these seeds require specific type of temperature for the germination of the seed. Then some seeds are affected by period of after ripening. In wheat, oat, barley seeds shows fully developed embryo. These fully developed embryos are dormant when they are harvested. These seeds overcome dormancy under normal temperature during storage. They germinate after completion of rest period. In dormant seed stage, physiological activities changes are occurred and the seeds will show different type of the effects. So period of after ripening, then specific temperature requirement, specific light requirements, presence of germination inhibitor, physiologically immature embryos, mechanical resistance, then impermeability to oxygen and carbon dioxide, impermeability to water. All these are different type of the causes which causes the seed dormancy. That is, the seeds are not germinated when such type of causes are present in the seeds. Thank you.